Hey y'all, so welcome to part 2 of my sewing over my locks videos. So in this video, what I'm going to do is basically just style it and, add a couple layers. So I'm only adding layers like to the front around my face. And also when I cut my layers, you'll see in just a minute, I'm going to cut them as long layers. Alright, and so right here is the way I'm layering my bang. As you can see, I'm starting more toward the ends of the hair section when I cut the layers because I don't want the layers to be short. And then I'm just going to take my trusty dusty curling iron and curl it back. And then of course I'm going to use a clip just to secure it, and then I just continue curling my hair around my head. Like I said, the back, I didn't add any layers to it. That was just too much. I really just care about the front being layered really nice. And so once I'm done with my curls, I'm just going to let that sit for a minute, and then I'm going to add my edge control and blend my closure. Now when I blend my closure, I just use foundation. Normally I mix like foundation and concealer, but this time I just threw some foundation on there because I wasn't going anywhere. And the edge control I use is, my 24-hour Ebin edge control. And then once I get done with my edges, I'm just going to take the curls out. And this is how it's looking. I like to comb my curls out and play with them because I want my curls to be loose and I want them to fall. So yeah, this is the finished results. Yes, I'm so happy. I haven't did a sewing on myself in like forever, many of years. And to be able to do it over my locks and it still look nice, I'm very happy. So this is my protective style for the month of December. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to comment below and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.